Good morning or good afternoon or wherever you're from. For today, I have to take my car to the body shop because it got rear-ended. It still runs. It looks absolutely normal, like every day. But the rear end, which you can kind of see here, it has like this kind of curvature here, so this kind of doesn't pop back in place. You guys have this right here, which is impaled. And then a little bit on this side, not really. This one sits kind of flush, but it does pop open from like right here. So that's about it. So we gotta go take it out today. That is where the Focus is gonna stay at for a couple days. So basically right now it's just probably replacing the rear bumper, but till they take it off, they're gonna see any other damages, like maybe the lower grill or whatever it's called, because I know it's a rear valence, but I don't know what that middle plastic piece is called. Probably those two would have to be replaced. The rear valence should not be replaced because of the fact that it's still good and it's just my second one. Also, I'm assuming if there's any other underlying damages, like let's say if there's any kind of frame damage, they would have to note that as well, and that would create more time. But right now, the insurance that's doing this, because it was a company vehicle that hit me, said that it should take about 2 days. I don't think it's gonna take 2 days. I think it's gonna take about a week, but we'll see. All right, now we're in the rental, which is a Toyota Corolla. You guys can see, but it's weird because it sounds like someone might have rented this out at one point and tried making it like those straight pipe videos where they straight pipe a rental car. Because if I do this, oh wait, no, that's quiet now, but, or something just might be loose, because when you first start accelerating, it just sounds so horrible. Like it sounds like someone, oh, there it is. I think there's like a rattling to the exhaust. I might take it back and see what they say, because that fucking rattling is like stupid ridiculous. And I'm back inside a minivan. I got a Dodge Grand Caravan because that's all they had left. They didn't have anything else. They told me I can come back later and trade it in. They were like, yeah, come back tomorrow. But due to work, I have to travel out of state, so there is no way in hell I'll ever be able to make it since my flight is like at 7 a.m. and they don't even open till like 7:30. So yeah. What happened to my Focus? That's an SE. Sorry, there was an SE right there. So what happened to it was I got rear-ended. Now, you guys saw the damages and everything, and unfortunately I cannot show you a video of when the guy wrecked into me because apparently my dash cam at that moment, the memory was, there was an error with it, so it just stopped recording, and I didn't even see that happening because I reformatted it like not that long ago after I recorded a full day, and it just seemed like it wasn't recording anymore. So of course you have to reformat it. It says, the manual says at least once a month, so that time came up, and yeah, turns out that it bit me in the ass. Now, in terms of what's going on, I think the ST is still drivable. Everything was perfectly fine. Everything was right. When I got hit, I was actually barely coming to a stop, and like 2 seconds later, I hear a car screeching, and in my head, I'm just like, someone's about to get wrecked, LOL. And little did I know that was gonna be me, like the guy who gets like just hammered right in behind. And you know, it happens. You know, the guy was not on his phone, surprisingly, but he was falling asleep, which is even worse because, like, I guess he might have closed his eyes for a little bit while driving and then like slammed on the brakes. And it's a commercial truck. It's like it's a working truck, you know. It's an F-350 that hit me. The whiplash was horrible. Like, I literally thought my back end was just gonna be crushed in. I thought my car was just like a soda can that just gets crushed. When I got out, the truck itself had like this little thing on the license plate, and I think that's what took most of the impact that hit me, and that's what you guys see that little place that like is kind of like ripped or impaled there, because that was kind of the only thing that really hit me. I think if that license plate cover, I don't even know what it was, a radar, I don't know, maybe it's the company's system of tracking every vehicle, but if that thing wasn't there, the front end would have just smashed into the back, and or maybe haven't even touched me at all, and the guy would have got, like, you know, a clean slate and nothing would have happened. I don't know, but yeah, that's kind of what just happened to me. I'm lucky that it wasn't anything else, but like I said, the whiplash was a bitch. Actually, all that I had felt was my back was a little bit hurting, the back of my head was a little bit hurting, but nothing too major. My headache went away, my back pain kind of creeped up on me, and then towards the second day, basically the next day over, the back pain came back pretty sharp, and then it went away. After that, it has not come back. I've been perfectly fine. I've been able to go to the gym and everything, so I'm good, you know, I'm good. But it's not the best feeling ever. I'm looking at some cool cars. I don't know if I should say anything about what I'm looking at, because I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get them. But I do have one that maybe you guys would like. It won't be a track car, that's for sure. It'll probably be more of, I don't know, a show car kind of thing, or just a street car. Nothing like too fancy, but nothing that's gonna be like full-on show status that it doesn't even touch the road, only goes to a show. It's still gonna be daily driven, but it's gonna have, you know, a really nice look to it. Hi, doggy. There's a dog there. But yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know, what should I get? Maybe something, I don't know, maybe become a stance boy with tilty wheels. Who knows? No one knows.